In the dynamic and high-stakes world of oil and gas, optimizing operations, improving supply chains, and meeting sustainability goals depend on using data like production metrics, logistics patterns, and environmental impact records to uncover insights and drive improvements. Let's start by identifying which wells have the most downtime, why they're underperforming, and highlight opportunities to address these issues. Analyze the updated production and operations dataset to identify wells with recorded downtime. Categorize the primary downtime reasons and recommend potential interventions to address these issues based on operational conditions such as pressure and temperature. Now let's uncover patterns causing delays in logistics and suggest more efficient transportation methods to save time and reduce costs in the oil and gas supply chain. Identify patterns in the logistics dataset where delays most frequently occur and suggest alternative transportation modes to optimize shipping time and cost. Now we want to evaluate the relationship between emissions and renewable energy use at facilities to help prioritize decarbonization efforts where they are most impactful. Using the environmental dataset, analyze the relationship between emissions volume and renewable energy usage across facilities, and identify which facilities should prioritize decarbonization efforts. This prompt connects production efficiency, logistics delays, and emission hotspots to recommend strategies that enhance performance and sustainability in oil and gas operations. Integrate insights from the production, logistics, and environmental datasets to identify correlations between operational efficiency, transportation delays, and emission hotspots, and recommend a comprehensive strategy for improvement. Finally, we will deliver an all-encompassing action plan that details specific improvements for production, logistics, and sustainability, while maximizing efficiency and aligning with environmental compliance goals. Combine the production, logistics, and environmental datasets to generate an optimized action plan that prioritizes operational efficiency, minimizes supply chain disruptions, and achieves compliance with emission reduction targets. The plan should include specific interventions for each well, logistics route, and facility, along with predicted outcomes for production, cost savings, and environmental impact. We showcase SoothGPT's ability to analyze complex production data, optimize supply chain logistics, and drive environmental compliance, proving its capacity to empower oil and gas companies to address a wide array of challenges with actionable insights and transformative efficiency.